Forget everything you thought you knew about pasta. We're not talking about some box from the supermarket shelf, nope. We're diving deep, headfirst, into the soul of Italy, where pasta isn't just food, it's an art form, a legacy, a heartbeat. Get ready to witness the last true handmade pasta masters, these incredible artisans who transform simple flour and eggs into edible dreams. This isn't just cooking, it's a performance, a labor of love passed down through generations. You won't believe the skill, the precision, the sheer passion that goes into every single strand. And trust me, once you see it, you'll never look at pasta the same way again. So, who are these legendary masters? They're not just chefs, they're keepers of ancient secrets, often tucked away in small villages or bustling city trattorias. They're the nanas, the zios, the families who've been doing this for decades, some for centuries. Their hands are their most valuable tools, knowing exactly how the dough should feel, how it breathes. It's a sensory experience, a dance between human and ingredient. Every wrinkle on their hands tells a story of countless batches, perfected techniques, and a deep, unwavering respect for tradition. This isn't just about making food, it's about preserving a piece of Italy's soul, one delicious bite at a time. This is heritage you can taste. Okay, so you want to know what makes this legendary pasta? What's the secret sauce, or should I say, the secret dough? It's not a fancy potion, folks. It's all about the absolute best, freshest ingredients working in perfect harmony. And guess what? There are typically just 3, maybe 4, superstar components. First up, we're talking about premium flour, often a finely milled 2000 flour that's smooth as silk. Next, farm-fresh eggs, yolks so vibrant they practically glow, bringing richness and color. And finally, sometimes, a tiny bit of water to adjust hydration. Simple, right? But the quality of each item? That's non-negotiable for perfection. This isn't just mixing ingredients, it's a full-body workout. The kneading of fresh pasta dough is where the magic truly begins. It's a rhythmic, almost meditative process, pushing and pulling, stretching and folding. You gotta put your whole self into it. This isn't just about getting everything combined, it's about developing the gluten, giving the pasta its structure, its chew, its very soul. A master knows by touch exactly when the dough is ready, smooth, elastic, and almost alive. It's hours of dedication for minutes of deliciousness, but oh, is it worth it? You can literally feel the love in every knead. Alright, let's talk about the big debate, hand-rolled versus machine-rolled pasta. Is there even a comparison? For these masters, it's not just about speed, it's about soul. A machine might get it thin, sure, but can it feel the dough, adapting to its every mood? Can it impart that subtle, inconsistent texture that screams homemade? When a master rolls by hand, they're not just flattening dough, they're coaxing it, stretching it, whispering secrets into its very core. The result is a pasta that holds sauce differently, tastes richer, and has a story baked into every bite. Machines are efficient, but hands? Hands are magic. Rolling out the dough by hand isn't just a step, it's practically a performance. The goal is a sfoglia, a paper-thin sheet of pasta dough, so delicate you can almost read a newspaper through it. Using only a long, slender rolling pin, the mattarello, masters stretch and coax the dough, rotating it with incredible grace. This takes years, decades even, to perfect. The evenness, the texture, the translucence, it's all a testament to their skill. You think you can do this on your first try? Think again. This is precision personified, a true ballet of the rolling pin and dough. Absolute jaw-dropping mastery. Once that perfect sfoglia is ready, the real artistry begins, cutting and shaping. This is where regional traditions truly shine. From the delicate strands of tagliatelle, born from a rolled and sliced sheet, to the tiny, ear-shaped orecchiette, skillfully pressed with a thumb, every shape has a story. No two pieces are ever exactly alike, and that's the beauty of it. These masters use simple knives, ridged boards, or just their bare hands to create pasta forms that machines simply cannot replicate. It's like watching a sculptor at work, except the medium is fresh dough and the outcome is pure deliciousness. Mind-blowing precision. Italy isn't just one kind of pasta, it's a kaleidoscope of regional specialties, each with its own history and charm. Think about it, every corner of this amazing country has developed unique pasta shapes perfectly suited for local ingredients and sauces. From the hearty tortellini of Emilia-Romagna, often filled with rich meats, to the rustic paisai of Tuscany, thick hand-rolled worms of dough, or the delicate agnolotti dal plin from Piedmont. Each region boasts its own signature pasta, a culinary identity steeped in generations of tradition. These aren't just shapes, they're geographical markers, telling a delicious tale of local culture. It's a carb lover's dream. For many of these masters, pasta making isn't just a job, it's a family legacy, a birthright, passed down from nonna to mama to figlia. These are recipes etched into memory, techniques honed over countless hours by generations. Kids grow up surrounded by flour, eggs, and the rhythmic sound of kneading, learning by observation, absorbing the wisdom by osmosis. It's a beautiful, living tradition, keeping communities connected and flavors authentic. This isn't just a business, it's the heartbeat of the family kitchen, a delicious way to preserve identity and shared heritage. What a privilege to witness. Stepping into one of these artisan pasta workshops is like stepping back in time. The air is thick with the scent of fresh flour, the sounds are of gentle kneading and the soft rhythmic roll of the mattarello. Every tool, every surface, tells a story. No fancy machines, just simple, time-honored implements, well-worn wooden boards, sharp knives, and a whole lot of love. It's a sanctuary for tradition, a place where speed takes a back seat to perfection. There's a certain calm, a reverence, a palpable sense of dedication that truly makes you appreciate the craft. This isn't mass production, it's pure, unadulterated passion in action. So satisfying. You might be thinking, what's the real difference between fresh pasta and that dried stuff from the store? Oh, friend, let me tell you. It's night and day. Fresh pasta, made with love just moments before cooking, has a delicate, tender texture, a slight chew, and an incredible ability to absorb sauce like a sponge. Dried pasta? It's sturdy, yes, but lacks that vibrant, eggy flavor and soft bite. The fresh kind is the main course, not just a side. It's richer, more fragrant, and absolutely transforms a meal. Once you go fresh, you truly never go back. It's a game changer, plain and simple. It all comes back to the ingredients, right? And for these masters, fresh doesn't just mean recently made, it means locally sourced, seasonal, and often from their own gardens or trusted local farmers. The flour comes from nearby mills, the eggs from happy, free-range chickens, the herbs plucked moments before use. This commitment to local, fresh produce isn't just a trend, it's fundamental to Italian cuisine. It's about respecting the land, celebrating what's available, and letting the natural flavors shine. That's why handmade pasta tastes so impossibly good, because every element is singing in perfect harmony. It's a symphony of flavor. What does a day in the life of a handmade pasta master look like? It starts early, often before dawn, preparing the dough, letting it rest. Then comes the hours of intense, physical kneading, followed by the meticulous rolling and shaping. This isn't a 9 to 5, it's a lifelong commitment. Their days are long, their work demanding, but the reward? The joy of seeing people savoring their creations, connecting with a tradition that runs generations deep. Their dedication isn't just impressive, it's inspiring, a testament to the power of passion and preserving true culinary art. It truly is a labor of love, every single day. Handmade pasta is more than just food on a plate, it's a living, breathing part of Italian culture. It's family gatherings, Sunday lunches, holiday celebrations, and everyday comfort. It embodies hospitality, generosity, and the pure joy of sharing a meal. When you eat handmade pasta, you're not just tasting flour and eggs, you're tasting history, love, and the collective memory of a people. It's a connection to roots, a celebration of heritage, and an experience that nourishes both body and soul. This is the heart of Italian identity, truly. And it's absolutely delicious, which helps. But what about the future of this incredible tradition? Will these handmade pasta masters be the last? While the art faces challenges from industrialization and fast-paced living, there's a resurgence of interest. Younger generations are returning to the craft, eager to learn from their elders, to keep these cherished skills alive. Schools and workshops are popping up, ensuring the mattarello won't gather dust. It's a hopeful sign that the soul of Italian pasta will continue to thrive, inspiring new artisans and delighting palates for generations to come. This isn't just about preserving the past, it's about shaping a delicious future. And that's something to celebrate. So, after witnessing this incredible journey, what are you waiting for? This isn't just a video, it's an invitation. Next time you're in Italy, seek out these hidden gems, these family-run trattorias, and taste the difference for yourself. Or, even better, get your hands dirty. Try making fresh pasta at home. It's challenging, sure, but incredibly rewarding. Embrace the process, feel the dough, and connect with a culinary tradition that has enchanted the world for centuries. You don't have to be a master overnight, but every journey starts with a single need. What are you going to create? Get out there and make some magic.